Hello everyone, welcome back to the WebToTech YouTube channel. Today for this video of WebToTech, I will be showing you how you can create an account on FACEIT. Now to do that, what you need to do is you need to open a Google browser on your PC and then you click open New tab. You can see I am currently using a Google browser. You can use any browser for this process. Once you open the search bar, you need to type in FACEIT.com and press enter. This will open the official web page. FACEIT is a platform that hosts CSGO matches, which allows players to matchmake on private server for a smoother experience. It also includes own ranking system as well, which has a much higher skill ceiling than the standard ranks. So for you to create an account, you need to go and click on the create account over here on the top right. Click that. Basically, FACEIT is a third-party matchmaking service with better service, better player, and a basically unlimited skill ceiling. For you to create an account, you will have the option with the email, and you can do this process with the Facebook as well. If you click on the option Facebook, you can easily create your account with just one click, as they will take the details from your Facebook and create an account for yourself. But for this, I'm gonna go and do the email process. So type in the email address over here, then click on continue. Now you need to provide the details over here, provide your nickname. Then you need to type in your first name and last name. Provide the password, provide the date of birth, provide the month and year. Then you choose your country region. You will have options available. From there, you choose your country region. And if you want to receive a FACEIT activity and recommendation, you click on this checkbox. If not, just enter it. Then click on create account. And with that, your account will be created right after that. There you can see your account details over here on the top right. So this is a way how you can create a FACEIT account easily. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the WebToTech YouTube channel. Thank you.